So let's study the measures of the central tendency or the statistical averages. It is the central value around which the other values are distributed. The central value around which other values are distributed. The main objective of measures of the central tendency is to condense the entire mass of the data and to facilitate the comparison. So let's talk about what includes. The most common measures of the central tendency that are used in the dental sciences are the arithmetic mean. Okay, the second is the median, and third is mode. Arithmetic mean. It is the simplest measure of the central tendency. It is obtained by adding the individual observation and then divided by the total number of the observation. Adding the individual observation and dividing by the total number of the observation. The mean is calculated by using this formula. This is the sigma. This means the sigma means the sum of the xi, that is the value of each observation in the data. It is the sum of the value of each observation in the data, and n means the number of the observation in the data. For example, the number of the decayed teeth in a group of 10 children aged 5 years are as follows. So these are the number of the decayed teeth in the group of 10. We can count 10 children aged 5 years old. Then the mean number of the decayed teeth of this group is calculated as n is equals to 10, because there are total 10 observations, and then 10 children, and then the sum of the observations, sum of the individual observations, that is 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1, and we'll get 26. The mean value is equals to 26 divided by 10. So it is 2.6. Advantages: it is easy to calculate. And understand, and it is more useful of all the averages. Now disadvantages: it is sometimes ridiculous. It might sometimes look ridiculous, and it might be influenced by the abnormal values. Mean: the median is the middle value of the distribution. To calculate the median, all the observations are arranged in either the ascending or the descending order of their magnitude, and then the middle value is of the observation is selected as the median. When the number of the observation is even, the mean of two middle value may be taken as median. Following are the number of the visits of the to a dentist by 10 patients in 1 year. Okay, then first of all, for calculating this, we need to arrange it. First, arrange in the magnitude, in order of the magnitude. This is then arranged first, and since there are 10 patients, the average of the, we know this is the even number, so of the fifth and the sixth patient is calculated as the median, the average. So average is here 4 and 5, 4 plus 5, this is the fifth, 1 2 3 4 5, fifth and the sixth positioned value is taken as the average, and then this is the median. Now the next, what is the advantage? It is not affected by the abnormal values like the it was the disadvantage in the mean. It is not affected by the abnormal values, as it was influenced in the mean by the abnormal values. The mode is mode or the modal value is that value in the series of the observation that occurs with the greatest frequency. For example, if the age at the eruption of the canine is 8675 for the 8 children, then the mode will be 6, because 6 is more frequently occurring, 1 2 3 times. So the greatest frequency, since it occurs more often than any other. The mode is located from the frequency distribution table. Taking the value of the variable with the maximum frequency, there can be more than one mode for a series. When the mode is ill-defined, it can be calculated using the relation mode is equals to 3 times median by minus 2 times mean. So this is all.